Sa Tagalog, may dating at puso kapag pinagsama-sama. Gumaganda kapag nabibigisa. Ngunit pumapangit naman kapag napapabayaan. Ang bawat bahay ay may sariling damdamin at karakter. May pera sa bulok sa pagkalinga po natin sa kapaligiran at kalikasan. Yan. So once again, my name is Luis Alfredo, your tour guide, and this is our Las Casas Filipinas de Auzor, our pride from the past and hope for the future. Yan. So thank you so much po. I hope you enjoyed our tour po. Okay, so thank you so much po. Na po, free time nyo na po to roam around the resort po.
Can you repeat the English part?
Yes, sir. Okay. So this is the message. There's impact in love when we put together. It gets beautiful when taken care of, but gets ugly when neglected. Every house have their own feelings and characters. There's money in trash if we know how to protect our environment and surroundings. Yeah. So once again, my name is Luis